Inhale, exhale. Take your time and ask yourself this question. What will you be remembered for once you are gone from the planet Earth? I ask you again, what will you be remembered for? The best cars, the best house, the best clothes and shoes you wear will be forgotten. Nobody will remember it. The life you affect, the life you inspire, the life you impact is what will be remembered once you're gone. The businesses you establish, the companies you build, the cures you discovered, the life you affect is what will be remembered once you are gone from the planet Earth. So the money that you make but you did not touch, lives will never be remembered. Or the cars, Ferrari, Bugatti that you have will be forgotten. The best vocation center you live will never be remembered. The shoes and clothes will never be remembered. What are you doing today? What life are you imparting today? What life are you changing today? What will the next and the next and the next generation remember you of? What will you be remembered for once you are gone on this planet Earth?